just urge you to give us a call. I mean, if you have pavers or even concrete, these things do require maintenance. And even if you're not somebody who maintains your house on a regular basis, if HOA gave you a letter, I mean, we could usually get you pretty quick, because those HOAs, they'll send you a letter. You get it Friday, and they'll say, if it's not done by Tuesday, we're going to fine you whatever amount of money. Yeah. So, I mean, we'll do our best to fit you in. But, most of our homeowners, our customers, they maintain their homes. They want it done right with a warranty, that it won't go south on them, turn white, peel, flake, or turn yellow. Those are some characteristics of some other type of products that are out there, or somebody sealing it, not knowing what they're doing. We could definitely take care of them, and give us a call. We'd love to add you to our Paver Protectors family, as we call it.